This Century 21 Olympian property video is presented by Gonzalez. Recently updated 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home in Meadows subdivision of Meadows Place. The property features newer cabinets, granite, and appliances in the kitchen. Granite, Carrara Marble shower surrounds, newer 410A system, inside and out, and ducts, plumbing fixtures, and custom tile in the bathroom. Quick commute to I-59 or Beltway 8 from Meadows Place. There's an additional 2-storage building / one could be used for an office or man cave. Easy to show, cleaned weekly, video tour available, and schedule today. For more information, review the details below.